In this video, we'll show you how to schedule an email reminder for your volunteers. You can schedule reminders to any tasks that have already been added to your event, or you can do so while you're adding them. There is a tutorial video on how to add tasks in the link below. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then from your main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Then select Tasks for Volunteers from the Event Management menu of the relevant event. Then either click on the task name or select Edit from the Manage menu. Then scroll down to the Send Volunteer Reminder Email checkbox. Checking this box will mean a reminder email will be sent to your volunteers 24 hours before the task they have volunteered for is due to start. Click the Update Task button to save your changes. And that's it, you have now successfully scheduled an email reminder to go to your volunteers. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.